informed during our conference with her. To 133 countries, and we're preparing to ship.
Tomorrow marks 100 days since WHO was notified of the first cases of pneumonia with unknown cause from China. It's incredible to reflect on how dramatically the world has changed in such a short period of time. And what we will be doing in the near future to alleviate suffering. We convened the Emergency Committee on the 22nd of January, and again a week later, after the first cases of human-to-human transmission were reported outside China, and declared a public health emergency of international concern, our highest level of alarm. At the time, there were 98 cases outside China and no deaths. The same day, we convened our strategic and technical advisory group, a comprehensive package of guidance to countries on how to detect.